2021 Chrysler 300. With less than 41,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.